Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the always on display and lock screen. And as you can see in the lock screen settings, I accidentally turned off the smart cover mode. Okay, let me focus. In the lock screen settings, on the very first position we've got the sleep option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. Obviously we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes, so you can decide if you want your device to black out fastly or that it will take some time. So right now we've got 10 minutes applied, so the longest option which is available here, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see we do not have to enter the sleep option in order to check it, because here it is notified that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.